Sup guys, I'm giving up to my subscribers a flamingo or a starfish or a squirrel or a hedgehog or a golden love and also a like modeling things. Modeling. If you want some, just subscribe to my channel. Let's see how my fish works. Wow. If you want modeling, bloodline guys, just subscribe to my channel so I can give you this. Or you guys want egg, rainbow carrot. If you want, just subscribe to me and comment your username to the comment your username and I will send it to you. Bye.